This is for a BMW X1 E84. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove this center console trim and gear selector area. So basically you're going to want to get yourself something like a little pry tool or flathead, and you sort of want to start off probably up around here in the corner. You just want to pop this down there, pop this down here, and sort of just push that up like that. Right, and now that that is up, you get your fingers and just go up around like that, and just pop it up. Same for the back piece here. So you just and that's it. Literally came out. So yeah, you've got those little things there. So I've already pulled this out before, so I was just making a quick tutorial on it. But just up under here, you've got some clips. So you just want to feel your way around, just sort of push that up like that, and then this will just pop up as well. And then you just want to move this one. Like that. You're also going to have there's a little clip, little piece in here. You just want to just pop it out, pull it out. And yeah, that's literally how you remove your center console trim. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But anyways, hope this helped. Thanks for watching, by the way. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.